know all about Flipkart seller processes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello sellers! Today we will learn about GSTIN enrollment. As per the government guidelines, it is mandatory for a person to have a GSTIN registration done before selling any product online, except for books. GSTIN registration is a simple process to become a seller on Flipkart. In the GSTIN enrollment process, the government's Commercial Tax Department issues a provisional username and password to all the registered taxpayers. You can follow a few simple steps to get your GSTIN enrollment done. Open the government GSTIN registration portal www.gst.gov.in. On the home page, click on Services from the menu bar on the top. Choose Registration and then select New Registration. This will take you to the registration form screen. Start filling this form from the top. Make sure that you have selected New Registration instead of TRN for now. Select Taxpayer in the first field from the drop-down menu. Select State and District where your business is based. Please know that it is not about your personal permanent address or domicile status. This is the address from where you run your business. Now fill in the legal name of your business. It can be your name as a proprietor or the name of the firm if it's a partnership business. And type in your PAN number. Next, type in your exact email address and mobile number and complete CAPTCHA verification before clicking on Proceed. Once CAPTCHA verification is complete, fill in the OTP received on your mobile phone and email address and click Proceed. On the next page, you will find a TRN or temporary registration number generated for you. Please make a note of your TRN before clicking on the Proceed button. You will need TRN to complete your registration process before the date mentioned on the screen. Once you have clicked on Proceed, select TRN instead of New Registration and fill in your TRN and fill in CAPTCHA verification. Once again, click on Proceed. On the next screen, type in the OTP sent on your mobile or email and click on Proceed again. This will take you to the dashboard screen where you can see the starting date and expiry date of your registration process along with your assigned form number. You will have to fill in the form before the expiry date to complete GSTIN registration. You can click on Action in the right column to start filling in the form. You will see the form divided into multiple sections. First section in the forms page is all about your business details. Please verify legal name of your business and your PAN card number on this page. Next, type in your shop name and select the appropriate business type from the drop-down list. Now, fill in the location details that correspond to your business address. This includes state, district, zone and ward, etc. And also select the jurisdiction, that is, commissionerate, division and range. Feel free to Google your range number if required. Moving ahead, you will have to select the reason to obtain registration. In your case, it should be selling through an e-commerce portal. Now select the date of commencement of business and date of commencement of GST liability. Under the existing registration section, select Type as Temporary. Fill in your TRN number and choose Current Date under Date of Registration. Now click on Save and continue to move to the next section. In the second section of this form, you will have to fill in your personal and identity information. Under Personal Information, fill in your full name of your father, your date of birth and contact information, that is, your mobile number and email address. Select Gender in the next row and fill in landline number with STD code if applicable. Under Identification Information, fill in your designation. Type in DIN if applicable. Fill in your PAN number, passport number in case you're a foreigner, or make sure that you have selected Citizen of India in the column above. Also, fill in your Aadhaar card number if your mobile is linked to your Aadhaar card. Under the residential address column, you will have to fill in your detailed permanent residential address along with the PIN code. Now, upload a copy of your photograph. If you are an authorized signatory in your business, don't forget to toggle the switch towards yes before clicking on Save and Continue. This will take you to the third section of this form that deals with information about authorized signatory. You will have to check the box if you are the primary signatory of your business and fill in all the personal details once again. However, if you are not the primary signatory, then scroll towards the bottom of the page and click on Add New to add an authorized signatory. Now fill in the personal details of the authorized signatory. Please remember that no authorization proof is required if proprietor of business is also the authorized signatory. However, if you have added an authorized signatory who is not the proprietor, then you will have to upload the proof of authorization and photograph along with all the personal details of the signatory. Click Save and Continue once you have filled in the required information. Next section of the form begins with a question. Do you have an authorized representative? If you have authorized someone to make sale and purchase decisions on your behalf, use toggle switch to select the right answer. In case you have appointed an authorized representative, you will have to select yes and fill in the required details of your authorized representative. If you do not have an authorized representative, select no on the toggle switch and click on Save and Continue. This will take you to the Principal Place of Business section. Fill in the detailed address of your place of business, including PIN code. Fill in the contact information, including fax number if applicable. In this section, you will also have to select the nature of possession of business premises from the drop-down list and upload the copy of proof of address. Simply select the type of proof and upload the copy of selected document. Finally, select the type of business carried out in the premises. In case you have more than one place of business, select the applicable toggle position and click on Save and Continue. You will see a reminder screen about additional places of business. Here, you can click on Add to fill in additional business addresses. Otherwise, simply click on Continue to go to the next section. Here, you will have to fill in details of goods or services that you offer. Simply type in the product or service in the search field. Relevant HSN codes will automatically appear here. Just select the appropriate HSN code and they will be automatically added to your list. You will have to mention at least 5 commodities or services. Once you have added all your goods or services, simply click Save and Continue. Next section deals with state-specific information. Since it is not required from you as a Flipkart seller, you can simply click Save and Continue again. Finally, you will see the verification page. Click on this page to confirm that you have provided correct information. Select the name of the authorized signatory, fill in the place and finally submit with e-signature. DVC in case of limited liability partnership company or EVC in case of a proprietary firm. After submission, you will have to validate submission with OTP once again. Once the application is submitted successfully, you will see the confirmation on screen and application registration number or ARN will be sent to your registered email address. You can use this ARN number to track the progress of your GSTIN application by going to gst.gov.in. Click on Services from the menu bar on the top. Click on Registration and then select Track Registration and fill in ARN number. Clicking on Search will show the status of your application on the screen. Once the application process is completed, you will receive an SRN number on your email and mobile number. You can use this SRN number to download your GST registration certificate from gst.gov.in. Once again, open gst.gov.in, click on Services from the menu bar on the top, click on Registration and then select Track Registration. Now, fill in your SRN number. Clicking on Search will show the option to print your GST certificate. Once you procure the government-approved GST, you can use that to complete the onboarding process on Flipkart. See how easy it is to get GSTIN registration done. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, because we will be coming up with many more videos to help your business grow with Flipkart.